Hello, G. Hi. So I've joined back, managed to join back. Are you guys there? So welcome to Fever FM official page, and here I am for a very interesting session with actor Karan Kundra. Yes, hello. Am I audible? Am I clear? Can you hear me properly? Is there any network issue? Need to figure that out before we start this session with Karan. Yeah. Am I audible like properly? Like, yeah. I hope there's no network issue this time. How are you, sweetie? Says Sam Kundra. I'm good, thank you, sweetheart. Excited? के कुंद्रा के फैन क्लब्स भी ज्वाइन किए हैं एंड जुनी hello जुनी cool okay no problem says Sanjana looking pretty says Kundra updates thank you so much. Hi there, waiting for my love, is that so? Lolo Baby. Oh yeah, that is an interesting name. Lolo. आप क्या करिश्मा के फैन हो? Yeah, you know, right? Like Lolo. अरे उनका पेट नेम है यार. अभी भी क्या नेटवर्क इशू है? No, I suppose. Super excited. Shivani Gulati joined. Hello, Shivan Gani, right? Ask him your favorite romantic scene from. Okay, अब तो चले. Karan Kundra, Karan. Tell Karan to come online with Yogita. Twitter fans of Karan Kundra joined. Yay! Thank you so much. Welcome, guys. Welcome to Fever FM. Yet another chat session. By the way, let me introduce myself once again. This is RJ Genia from Kolkata. And yes, और बहुत ही interesting एक बात है कि this show that Karan is doing, it happened in Calcutta. Yes, that's also related to Calcutta. Okay, let's see. Let's check out if Karan has sent me a request. अंकिता, आपने मेरे को एक रिक्वेस्ट भेजे हो लाइव वीडियो के लिए. Yes, excited. Hi.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Fantastic. How are you doing?
Great. So let me introduce myself quickly. This is RJ Genia from Kolkata. Calcutta.
Well, hello. Hello there.
I know. Okay, before we start this chat session, family
There.
official page on your page.
Wait, I think you broke up a little. I can't. I didn't. I
Can you
didn't
hear
what
me?
you said last. I can hear you now. Yeah.
Yeah, so before we start this chat session, say a big hi to the Insta family of Fever FM official page and of course on your page.
What's up, people?
Okay, so people are quite excited, yeah, because मेरे पास inbox में मैंने जब share किया कि आज chat session होने वाला है, so इतने सारे questions आए आपको पूछने के लिए. You have no idea.
Give me 1 second. Let me figure out my network. Give me
Yeah,
1 second.
yeah.
Let me figure out my network.
Sure. Is that his living room? नहीं, ये शायद balcony के पास है. Okay, I'm going to ask him that. Chaliye, Karan has joined. Of course, guys, you can come up with questions if you want to. What is that one interesting question that you want me to ask him? Chaliye, बताइए. Yes.
All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. Sorry.
Yeah, no problem. Am I like audible, clear?
Yes, you are.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Pehle to, so people are really excited and looking forward to this chat session, and I really like your hairstyle, man.
It's not a hairstyle. It's just overgrown hair, and
Yeah.
it's a lockdown, and there's no way I can get it cut.
Suiting you, I must say. Suits you,
Thank
man.
you so much. Sweet of you.
So how have you been? Tell me, how is this lockdown period treating you? I know it's the
I'm
same
the same
question
as all of us.
every
Yes.
time. Yes.
It's the same with everyone. All of us are indoors, and there's hardly anything that we can do. But yes, we're watching stuff. We are. I mean, I'm writing stuff that I didn't
Yeah.
think that I was, ever gonna do. Because you get so many ideas. बहुत सारी चीजें दिमाग में आती हैं और आप सोचते हो कि यार ये अच्छा concept है, but time नहीं मिलता. So now we have all the time. So yeah.
आप राइटिंग में कब से इंटरेस्टेड होने लगे? आई मीन आई डिडंट नो दैट, मतलब आई डोंट नो, आई मीन आई एम आल्सो अ फैन, बट ये मेरे पास अपडेट नहीं था.
Because we watch so many shows, and we I'm also interested in directing actually, but writing, I'm not saying that I'm a ace level writer or something, but there are certain concepts that you think of, and you realize that if they are developed by the right people, it can come up, it can become a good concept. So yeah, that's about it. I'm not a great writer or anything, but yeah, what I did realize that once you start doing it, there's it's just the loops keep
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah, yeah.
you sort of go around it, and somehow there's some
True.
structure that comes in which you can keep working. So I didn't know that I could do that, but yeah, it's happening.
So it happened like during this period, are you telling me? I mean, this is the
I mean,
first time you're like doing some
there are so many
constructive writing work.
stories. There are so many stories that I have always cooked up in my life, and
Yeah.
so there's some interesting ones. I'm a big fan of the supernatural, paranormal. So there's so many things. I mean, it all comes from my environment, people that I've spoken to, people that I've had discussions with, and something comes. You think about something, you feel that okay, this might work or might not work, but I never put it in a structure. But
Hmm.
now I'm jotting down my ideas, trying to link them, trying to get a structure. So yeah, it's fun. I don't know if it's good, but it's fun.
Great, great, great to know that. Okay, so two very interesting and super shows of yours. Two
Yes,
characters, Ritik and Ronobir, right? Ritik to Ronobir, of course.
Ritwik and Ranbir. Yes,
Yeah, it's Ritwik. How do
Ritwik.
you how do you pronounce that?
It's Ritwik with a W. Ritwik.
Yeah, but you know what? In Bengali, we say Ritik. We have an actor called who's Ritik Chakraborty here, so we call Ritik.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah,
In fact, I think in it happened in Calcutta. The name was Ranbir, and it just happened. It just got transformed, amalgamated into Ronobir, which I really like. I
Ron.
like I like the ring that Ronobir has to it. The name.
You know what? You know what? So Ronobir का जो short form Rono is
Yeah.
a very like क्या बोले बहुत ही प्यारा nickname है, pet name है in Bengal.
Oh, I'm sure.
So
I'm quite sure.
yeah,
Because I can also call
good,
myself Rono.
quite good research, I must say.
Oh, the
So
research went on for a long time for it happened in Calcutta, actually, for more than 2 years. So I'm sure they knew what they were doing.
where was this shot, by the way?
We extensively shot in Pune and Mumbai, but there was a big schedule that we did, manage to actually go to Kolkata and shoot over there, because there are certain things that you just can't, replicate.
Yeah, true.
Also, you have to realize that it happened in Calcutta is based in the 60s and the 70s. So we were, highly limited with what we could show. We couldn't show the cars, we couldn't show dish antennas. So yeah, it took a long time. But yeah, we had to replicate a lot in Mumbai and Pune.
Are there any bombs in the team? I'm sure there are.
Oh yes, it's directed by Ken Ghosh. So he
Acha, Ken
his
Ghosh. Okay, okay.
yes, he's the writers knew everything. The first assistant, Pooja, she's also Bengali. Nagma, the actress, she was born and raised in Kolkata. So we had a lot of Bengali people on the cast and crew. So it was quite a lot of fun, especially when we were shooting in Calcutta, because these guys knew exactly where to get the best food.
Yeah, yeah. What did you like? What food? What all food did you like about? And what did you like about Calcutta? Tell me, like it's my city.
Oh, I've been coming to Calcutta a lot. I mean, there are a lot of people,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
that have been watching my shows over there. There are a lot of events that I do in Calcutta. So, I mean, I've always loved food over there.
yeah.
I don't remember places, but it's great. I've been going to Kolkata for the past 10 years now.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. And the other show that we should talk about is Dil Hi To Hai.
Yep.
And yes, yes. Tell me about that character and how did you back the role and what is that one thing that you really like love about
Actually, the
being
story
Ritvik?
behind, so Dili to Hai was not intended to have me initially. To be very honest,
Oh,
they'd locked
okay.
somebody else who had actually backed out last minute, and Dili to Hai happened to just drop into my lap. Because I guess it was about being at the right place or at the right time. The shooting had not started. In fact, the first meeting that I had with Ekta Kapoor was in the evening, and which went on till 10:30 in the night, and 4 o'clock in the morning I had to rush to Lavasa where we were actually shooting for the promo. So that's how that's how that's that's the kind of short notice that I had actually got to actually start shooting for Dili To Hai. Dili To Hai was not intended to be it wasn't written, or it wasn't. I got in last, very 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 last minute.
Okay, which is, by the way, your favorite, like close to your heart? Is it Ritik or I know, I mean, it's a very, very difficult question, but is it Ritik or Ranveer?
Um, See, what I do in life with the characters that I portray is that I bring in a lot of myself in them.
Yeah.
So yeah. So I think both of these characters are sort of over the top versions of something that I am deep within. So I think they're just clones of me.
Okay.
But not.
Okay,
I mean,
okay. Huh.
Ronabir is quite wild. Ritwik, I think, is more real. But I've enjoyed playing Ronabir the most.
So in this, it happened in Calcutta. There is this. There are some beautiful songs here. I mean, I must say,
It
amazing
is
songs, man.
beautiful is the word, actually, because they say that an actors over the time, an
Huh.
actor or an actress is known for the songs that they get, and I've been extremely lucky, not just with It Happened in Calcutta, but also with Dili To Hai. We've got some
Huh. Huh.
amazing songs. There's this song in It Happened in Calcutta called Subha Ki Garmi. If you've heard, if you haven't, I totally recommend it. It's a beautiful, soulful sort
Can
of
can we hear
number.
a few lines?
I can't. It's no. They'll beat me up.
No, come on, come on. We all know that
No.
you can sing.
And also for Dili To Hai, there's this song in it by Akhil Sachdeva, who's a very good friend of mine. It says it's called Rondi Akhiyan. I think it's
Acha.
one of the
Yeah.
best songs. So if you have Apple Music or Spotify, you can actually Google these two shows, and these songs will come up. They're fantastic, fantastic songs.
One song that I can remember, एक Bengali song that has been recreated, like in it happened in
Yeah,
Calcutta.
yeah.
Uh, আমি চিনি গো চিনি তোমারে
I
ওগো
know, I
বিদেশী.
know. Yes, I know. It's a beautiful song, and if you've seen the show, it's actually the female character Kusum, who actually is in a garage party, and she's forced to sing, and that's what she sings. And then my character Ronabir, he sort of comes and saves the day with his own the '60s version of the songs that used to go at that time, Elvis Presley, that. So I think,
Yeah.
yeah. So there are actually a lot. There's this song called Sukoon. Um,
Sukoon, ha, of
in
course,
in
of course.
in it's a beautiful number. The show credits go on that. The show
Hmm.
starts with that, and also a song called Dua Banja, again by Akhil Sachdeva, and he in fact was very very excited, and he I remember when he messaged me, he said, "Bro, this is like my this is my life. This song is my life. He's very emotional, very passionate about that song.
Yeah,
He's like, I'm
yeah,
so happy
yeah.
that Calcutta is getting this song, and you are going to be it's going to be picturized on you. And I was like, wow, man. So I still have that conversation. It's beautiful. The way he's written,
Yeah,
or sung the songs. The passion comes out, because it's a very intense love
yeah.
story, and the music has to be really good. So again, both the shows, it happened in Calcutta and Delhi. So we've got some really great music. So very lucky this year.
Actually, listen, no, itne, since we've spoken a lot about the music, please come on, like one song, your favorite. Any song from either, listen, either from these two shows or the one you're humming recently.
Oh my
कोई भी,
God! So
please,
no, I'm
come
not
on.
having any song,
नहीं,
but I
आप गाना
think
तो सुनते हो, I'm sure you're a music lover as well. Yeah,
I big time, but I'm not a great
big time.
singer,
Yeah, yeah.
But
Come
I
on, come
think
on.
I wish I could sing Dua, man. He's done such a fantastic job, but I'm such a bad singer. But I think I can hum Sukoon a little bit, but I don't even. I mean, if I knew, I would have kept the lines ready and I would have managed. But here goes.
It's okay, it's okay.
सुकून है हवा में, सुकून है फिजा में. If I knew your lyrics, I would have gone on and on, but
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so Karan, यार, your this profile, the Insta का profile का आपका जो status है, do you remember what you wrote in your status?
I
Status नहीं,
think
जो profile में जो था, एक जो code,
I
हाँ.
wrote that a long time ago. I'd written, I
Do you
dream
remember? Let's
before I
check.
am. I
Yeah, yeah,
think,
yeah.
yeah, I think that was a long time ago, and that's just basically my life. And I'd written a lot of stuff, and I just took all
Yeah,
of that out.
yeah, yeah. Just repeat the line because I'm sure your fans have missed it. और एक बार बताइए जो exactly line आपने
I
लिखा है
had
and
written,
explain.
I dream, therefore I am. So it's a very
It's
simple.
like
It's
this.
it's
Yeah.
it's basically just me defining me, my philosophy, my life, my everything in just in one line. I mean, that's about it. But that's one thing that hasn't changed, since the first day I got into this career, this line, and till now. It's just that. And I think if I hadn't been a daydreamer, and if I didn't live in a dream world of mine the way I do, I wouldn't have actually entered the industry, because I was not a part of the industry. I was never in Mumbai. I was in Punjab, and I got picked up through Facebook. And if I didn't believe in all of these things, if I didn't believe in dreams, if I didn't believe in magic, if I didn't believe in a lot of things that I do, I wouldn't have been here. So I'm
Yeah,
actually,
yeah.
yeah.
You are a survivor. Come on. How long has it been you in this industry?
I am in my 11th year.
11th, na? Ha, ha, ha.
Yeah, it's been a while.
So you tell me three things, Karan, about yourself which you have realized as or which you will acknowledge as your strengths, in the last 5 years maybe, and three weaknesses जो कि आपको लगता है कि शायद मेरे को शायद I have to work on that. So
You
three
know,
strengths about yourself.
I think what I've realized is that I've never been inclined towards becoming a part of the rat race. I've seen my
Okay.
friends, I've seen my contemporaries, but I have never. I only compete with myself. I only
Yeah.
see that whatever I'm doing today, be it a television show, be it a web series, be it a film, I just want to outdo myself, and my competition is only with me. So
Yeah.
I'm not looking around, and I'm not getting, because everybody has their own journeys, everybody has their own graph. So if I look at some of my friends, they've had a beautiful graph, and they've just risen immensely, in a very short span of time. And there have
Yeah.
been other friends who've not done that, who are also growing, but they have a steady graph. So a lot of my happiness and a lot of my the state of calm that I live in is because I don't compete, or I don't compare myself with with my contemporaries or with people, and I don't live in that that anxiety. of where, I need to reach here, I need to do so
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
very ambitious in life, of course I am, but I'm more about my sanity and my my happiness. So I think
Yeah.
that so I where people would be like, oh my god, you're going through such a big low such a big low phase in your career. I'm like, what, really? I didn't even notice because I'm so happy traveling, or I'm so happy spending time with my loved ones and all of that. So these things never occurred to me. कि यार तू अभी ये नहीं कर रहा कि oh my god, if you're doing this you should be doing that. No, I do stuff that I like doing, so that has made me very I don't have regrets, I don't have I don't worry myself with a lot of competition. So that helps me pick the right stuff for myself, and or maybe the right stuff coming to myself. I always believe that I'd never choose work, work chooses me. So that is one. I think I consider that as a strength.
Okay.
And because I'm not competing,
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
of course there's competitiveness in my attitude, but I can sleep really well. So
That's so important,
yeah.
man. Yeah.
And the second thing
Okay, so
that
that was first. Second.
second is that I live in a bubble, and I've surrounded myself with people who live in a bubble as well. So people are doing things. People maybe okay, maybe some people are spreading negativity, or some people are getting anxious, or some people are just so bothered with other people's
Yeah.
lives and what's gonna happen, and oh my god, he did this, oh my god, that happened. And I realized that when I look around, I am me, and the people that I live with are all living in their own bubble. They're just not worried about what's going on anywhere. We don't bother anybody. We don't get bothered, and that's I think that's amazing. That's a little bit of a self reflection that's happened in the past couple of weeks, where I realized that whenever some news comes, and a lot of people start calling me and messaging me, and I'm like, I mean, why
अच्छा,
are you
I'll just
so?
interrupt you यार. एक बंदा ने, एक फ्रेंड ने बताया कि यार आप थोड़ा अगर हिंदी में बोलोगे तो अच्छा होगा.
हाँ,
So
सॉरी,
okay,
माय
we
बैड,
can of
माय बैड.
course.
हाँ,
Yeah,
तो
yeah,
मतलब
yeah.
मुझे कभी भी कोई ऐसी कोई न्यूज़ आती है, या कुछ आपके बारे में कोई काम को लेके, पर्सनल लाइफ को लेके इतना सब कुछ होता है, और ना ऐसे मुझे मैसेजेस आने शुरू हो जाते हैं फ्रेंड्स के, फैमिलीज के. कोई कोई कनाडा में बैठा है, कोई न्यूजीलैंड में बैठा है, कोई एंड दे लाइक, आर यू ओके, डोंट गेट अफेक्टेड. आई एम लाइक, hello.
Yeah,
मुझे
yeah,
so
yeah, yeah.
the fact that I live in a very happy bubble of mine, with very happy people, positive people. A lot happens around me that doesn't reach me. So I think that's a freaking वो एक तरह की blessing है
So आप
मेरे
बहुत ही
लिए.
chilled out बंदा हो basically.
मतलब वो
You've
नेचर में है, वो
always
मैंने
been,
किया
yeah,
नहीं
yeah.
है अपने साथ, वो ऑटोमेटिकली मैं वैसा ही हूँ.
और
और आई
हाँ.
थिंक क्योंकि मैं सबसे छोटा हूँ अपने फैमिली में, और मैं मतलब मैं बचपन से ऐसे ही हूँ. आई हैव ऑलवेज स्टेड
Oh,
हैप्पी.
how many? आपके कितने सारे
I
like भाई
have I,
बहन?
I have three elder sisters.
3 elder sisters? Oh, wow, women power.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So, and
Okay.
the third thing I would say that
Third one.
I'm very passionate about the line that I have chosen. It's not
Yeah.
just
Okay.
acting. It's cinema. It's being part of
And
stories.
yeah.
तो
Okay.
वो मुझसे कुछ मेरे फ्रेंड्स पूछते हैं जो मेरे स्कूल के टाइम के हैं, कि यार हम लोग सुबह उठते हैं, ऑफिस जाते हैं, बोर हो जाते हैं, आते हैं. एंड आई एम लाइक, यार ये प्रॉब्लम्स कभी हुई नहीं मुझे. अगर मैं सुबह 5 बजे भी घर आया हूँ और सुबह 7 बजे उठ के वापस जाना पड़ता, तो मुझे कभी ऐसी लगा नहीं कि मैं कोई इट डजंट फील दैट आई एम इट्स लाइक अ बर्डन और एनीथिंग. इज बिकॉज आई एम सो एक्साइटेड अबाउट व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, that I love waking up and going to work, and I can be. और आपको पता है हमारी लाइन में 15-15, 16-16 घंटे अब करने पड़ते हैं, और जब मैं आया था तब तो 30-30 घंटे भी कभी कभी काम करना पड़ता था,
हाँ,
बिकॉज
हाँ.
टेलीकास्ट है, ये है, वो है. So I've never. I mean, you obviously do get tired. At the end of the day, you
Yeah.
can get cranky if you're not sleeping properly, if you haven't slept a long time. लेकिन मुझे कभी ऐसा हुआ ही नहीं कि कभी हमको ऐसे पता चलता है कि यार आपको अभी हम कहीं नेपाल की पहाड़ियों में कहीं पर कैंप में सोने वाले हैं अगले 4 दिन, 5 दिन, 6 दिन, 10 दिन, और सड़कों पे सोने वाले हैं, ये सब करने वाले हैं. I'm like, yes, let's do it. And it's just I mean, because I love what I do, so
Yeah.
like my life, my work is just me having fun. So I think that these are the three things. Yes.
Truly inspiring. Yeah, yeah. And in 3 words, if I may know your weaknesses, as in which you think you have to work on? Like it could be anything like patience, ये वो, whatever,
I
anger
think
management maybe.
मैं बहुत बहुत lazy हूँ life में.
Okay.
I don't I don't run the way I should be running, or behind a lot of things. दूसरा मैं कहूँगा कि मैं बहुत जल्दी trust कर लेता हूँ. Again, these are all the side effects of my strengths only, actually, to be honest.
Yeah, actually.
और I think the a part of me also realizes कि because some people say बोल सकते हैं कि मैं complacent हूँ या मैं stagnant हूँ, but मेरा वो
हाँ.
theory नहीं है. But again, if you look at it, I mean, everybody tells me there's you should be doing this, you should be doing that, you should be, and
Yeah.
I'm like, nah, no. So I think my strengths are also sort of, directly related to my weaknesses. But yeah, I think laziness and not being very, very, pushy about a lot of things. Like, I don't take favors from people. I don't ask people. I don't. I'm bad at networking. So I also am quite reclusive. मैं थोड़ा reclusive भी हूँ life में. And no wonder this quarantine is working for me. So I'm very happy in my house. So yeah.
Great, great, great. Yeah, yeah. So जिनको जानना था, how like Karan as a person, how he is. This is like pretty much we got a inside story of how Karan as a person is. Okay, Karan, yaar, so this somebody on Instagram says that you are the baddest boy on the app. Can you guess who the person is? Of course, you have got the comment. याद कर कीजिए.
Oh, that must be Ekta ma'am. Has to be. But you have to. That's a paradox. She's made me the bad boy. She's made
No,
me
but
the
I have
baddest.
seen, since I follow you also, like I have seen that you are a very like सच्चे दिल के इंसान हो आप, and you don't care. I mean, whatever video is आप बहुत honestly करते हो. So
I mean,
that makes
that's
you the baddest guy.
I don't. Yeah, I think she's okay. So she's probably referring to Ronabir, and of course
Ranveer.
she likes pulling my leg also. But yes, Ronabir's character is one of the best characters that I portrayed. He's a badass. He's a big harami, but there's obviously a thin line that he never crosses, and eventually you do fall in love with him. It's
Yeah.
a typical case of of Ranbir Chatterjee. I think I've had the most fun portraying that character, but yep, it's her fault actually.
Okay, so I have few questions from your fans. Also, guys, Insta family, you are actually, it's an open session, so now you can come up with questions that you want me to ask Karan. Uh, Quickly, one question that I already have, and एक friend ने मेरे को inbox किया है. So if you can also shout out, इनके नाम है खुशी,
Hi,
और
Khushi.
इनका क्वेश्चन ये है कि any plans of doing खतरों के खिलाड़ी again?
Ah, um, I mean, it's a great show. A lot of my friends have been. वो बहुत सारे मेरे friends हैं जो कि गए हैं खतरों के खिलाड़ी के लिए. But I have a thing against चिपकलीज एंड स्नेक्स. सो अगर तो वो बोलेंगे कि हम इस सीजन में ऐसा कुछ नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि वो ऐसी चीज है जिसके लिए तो मैं बोलूंगा ठीक है यार, आपका मतलब मैं जा रहा हूँ, मेरे को घर अभी मुझे ये कंट्री छोड़ के वापस इस हिंदुस्तान जाने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता. बट देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स दैट आई जस्ट कैन नॉट स्टैंड, एंड snakes are and चिपकलीज आर वन ऑफ देम.
The other question from Sam is
Hi Sam.
ऐसा कोई unique gift आपको मिला है from your fans? Did you ever receive any unique gift that you want to talk about?
I mean, isn't my life a gift from you all? I mean, what are you even talking about? I am living a life where I get hired because they know that I have this entire army behind me who's gonna come and watch my shows. So I mean, what can be better than that? I mean, my life, my everything, revolves around how much you watch my shows and how much the kind of love that I get. So I think I answered the question.
Okay, एक बंदा ने लिखा है love to see you in grey characters. अच्छा, it's from the Sam again.
I would love to play grey characters, and I think like Ronabir एक ऐसा character था जो कि बहुत ही मुश्किल character था, because ना आप there's a difference कि अगर आप perform कर रहे हो तो आपको या तो you can either look like a good boy or you can look like a villain. There's nothing in between. So I think
Yeah.
so Ronabir was somewhere in between, where he's not good, not a good boy, but he's not even a villain. So I think I would love to. In fact, I've never played bad, no, anywhere. मेरे को याद ही नहीं आ रहा है
Did you?
यार.
Yeah.
I don't know. सोच के बताऊंगा. But yeah, I think playing a badass villain would come really really naturally to me. So yeah.
Okay, so one question, if you want to answer this, one second, please ask him what's his favorite memory with Yogita Bihani.
Oh my God. So Yogita is the most fun person to work with. And अगर मैं से I can do a 1 hour session only talking about all the times उसने अपनी बेइज्जती कराई है. I think she's really cute, and it's not just it's actually it's the set of Dili To Hai. It's the cast and crew of Dili To Hai. From the directors to all the actors to the senior actors. हमारे जो senior actors हैं, Vijay sir, वो हम सबसे बड़े बदमाश हैं, by the way. So he plays my dad, and so it's a lovely place to be. But I think the funniest would be there are so many funny memories of Dili To Hai, man. I mean, I'll have to think about it, but it's just you have to realize कि Dili To Hai का जो set है उसमें हम सुबह 9 बजे से लेकर रात को 9 बजे तक सिर्फ हंस रहे होते हैं, सिर्फ गिर रहे होते हैं. I remember once was it with us और हम लोग कहीं promotion करने जा रहे थे या shoot करने जा रहे थे जोधपुर योगिता के साथ. Or those things that you get that they look like a stack of chewing gums, but when you take that chewing gum out, आपको current लगता है.
Yeah, करंट लगता है.
वो इतनी बड़ी बदमाश है. उसने क्या किया है, उसने जो चेक करते हैं ना, सिक्योरिटी चेक करते हैं, तो उसने उनको दे दिया है वो. तो उसने पूछा कि ये क्या है, ये से वो क्यों कर रहा है, तो उसके लिए आप खुद ही देख लो, उसको निकाल के देख लो. एंड आई एम लाइक यार तू मुझे भी मरवाएगी अपने साथ. And yeah, I mean, I'm like, dude, you can't do all of this, dude. What are you doing? And but she's fun like that, and she's just a lively person, and she's a fun person to be around. Yeah.
Okay, one question that is common and बहुत बार Insta friends ने पूछा है कि दिल ही तो है का episodes, next episodes कब आए?
अरे हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे और बीच में ये लॉकडाउन हो गया. So actually we've done 2 batches of 10 episodes each for season 3 of Dili To Hai, and next 10 batches पे हम already work कर रहे थे. But as we know that the lockdown happened right in the middle of it, and all the shows for Balaji were the first to actually stop shooting because we thankfully the bosses didn't want to take a risk with all these lives that are associated. And you have to understand कि ये लोग ट्रेन में आते हैं, बसेस में आते हैं, इनकी risks बहुत high होते हैं. So we didn't want to sort of. So when do we resume shoot? How do we resume shoot? What's going to happen to the story next? Whether we're going to make 10 more episodes, 20 more episodes, what's going to happen? What the climax is going to be like? We have no clue about what's going on. So I mean, I'm as clueless as you all are. So if you guys come to know about something, मेरे को भी बता देना यार, please.
Okay, and your mother is from Kerala. Have you ever been? What? Is that right? Okay, somebody is.
My mom's from Kerala.
Yeah. Have you ever been to Kerala? And
of course, I've been to Kerala. I've been to Kerala so many times. I mean, when I was younger, when
says Rajan, by the way, says the question is from Rajan.
Hi Rajat, yes man, I've been to Kerala a lot of times because every year we used to get holidays, and we used to go to my mom's side of the family. I've spent a lot of time in Kerala, a lot of good quality time I've spent in Kerala, and I'm in love with that God's own country. So yeah.
You like to travel, Karan? आपको
I was
घूमना
I
पसंद
was I was born to travel. I think I love traveling and
बट आपको
traveling.
मिलता है इतना टाइम क्या? आई
Of
मीन
course, you have to create time. So for me, traveling is not just recreation. For me, acting is the sum total of all the experiences that we've had in our life. अगर
या
आज आपके सामने एक स्क्रीन प्ले रखा जाता है, यार एक एक पैराग्राफ भी रखा जाता है, तो आप उसको कैसे पढ़ते हो और आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है, आप क्या उसको कैसे उसको पोर्ट्रे करते हो, डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ मेनी emotions you've experienced in your life, how many
हाँ
cultures you've seen. Different cultures react differently. Different cultures, the more you learn, the more people you meet and observe, the better actor you become, because as I
या
said, it's
या
a sum
या
total of your experiences. So for me, travel is also about all of that. So it's not just fun, it's a
या
lot of learning as well.
yeah. So basically for me, I love solo trips. I on every birthday I go for like solo trips. So I would want to know like, have you ever gone for solo trips, or who is your best travel buddy? Do you
I
have a
think
like friend,
my
or
best travel
Anusha?
buddy, it has to be Anusha, because we've been to Egypt. I mean, अब उस दिन में हम बैठ के गिन रहे थे कि how many
Oh,
countries
you've
we've
been to
gone.
Egypt? Oh, oh,
Yes,
oh.
recently, and I fell in love with that with that country, and it actually wasn't my plan; it was Anusha's plan, and because I was shooting till the last moment before taking the flight.
हाँ
So I think
हाँ
my best travel partner has always been since we started traveling together. In fact, me and her met at the airport for the first time when we met, and straight away we were in Prague and Budapest and all of these places. So I think no, I've never done a solo trip because I don't think I can survive a solo trip. मैं उठूंगा ही नहीं वैसे बात. मुझे
yeah
मुझे पता ही नहीं होगा क्या करना है. I'm dyslexic like that. But
yeah
I would always, yeah, I think companions are very important. But I've done a lot of traveling with my with my childhood friends. मैंने अपने childhood friends के साथ बहुत traveling की हुई है, and of course Anusha के
हाँ
साथ तो बहुत traveling की
Anusha
है.
के साथ. How I hope Anusha is like doing great and she's safe.
She's safe. She's doing great. Both the doggies are with her. So she's holding up. It's actually like everybody. यार, everybody's been indoors for the past 1 month now, and सब wait कर रहे हैं कि life कब normal होगी. And it's a responsibility for ourselves. It's not just the government who's going to do everything all the time. It's we have to take upon
Yeah,
ourselves to be safe, and
yeah,
more
true.
importantly, keep others safe. So yeah.
True, 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 true. So I'll just take a moment here to talk about Anusha. We actually grew up watching Anusha because I really used to admire her personality as a VJ. I'm an RJ and I always wanted to like it's all about voice, personality, how it come across. So
Correct.
I really give all my love and
She was
from
she
Kolkata.
she was also growing up when you guys were growing up. She started
Yeah.
working with MTV at the age of 17 or 18,
Yes.
and she's
Yeah.
been,
Yeah.
I mean,
Yes.
so she's lovely at what she does.
And I love your chemistry. You both.
I think हम एक दूसरे की बजाते रहते हैं तो वो लोगों को बहुत पसंद
Ah,
है.
yeah, I have seen that interview of yours video, I think on Pingvilla. Anyway, so that's quite fun. So आप तो खुद के एक profile हो, according to Anusha. You're like in love with yourself always. Is that so?
यार हर मतलब हर लड़की को यही लगता है ना कि जो लड़के हैं वो बहुत वैसे हैं. मैं हूँ एक्चुअली,
See,
यार मैं
you
क्या
know
करूँ.
what, Karan? आपके ना, I can't help saying this. आपके चेहरे पे वो बात है which says, I can't, sorry I'm saying this, which says that यार मैं अपनी ना favorite हूँ. I am the man.
No, not at all. I'm much more than that.
But of course there's much more than that. Also I
देखो
would
मैं
like to
पिछले
say
11 साल से एक्टर हूँ. ठीक है, तो वो आपको देना पड़ेगा. थोड़ा सा मेरी स्कूलिंग हुई है वैसी वाली. But
but
yeah,
you
I
have a
think
great soul also. You that also comes across. I don't know. I mean, and
I hope so.
yeah,
I hope so.
yeah,
But no, I'm not a narcissist. I'm not self-obsessed. But yeah, I love working on myself. I love being the best version of myself. And different friends of mine have different theories about what I am like. But yeah, I mean, but at the end of the day, I think it's also the kind of attention that I get, which
yeah.
sort of makes a kind of behavioral pattern that I have. बट ऐसा नहीं कि मैं सिर्फ अपने बारे में सारा टाइम सोच रहा
नहीं यार, come on.
हूँ.
Okay, quickly, guys, few more questions, and yes, almost it's. Love you, Karan, and please stay safe, stay
Love you
blessed.
too.
RJ, will you please? Okay, RJ. अच्छा, मेरा नाम है RJ जीनिया, by the way. RJ,
I
will
know.
you please ask him लखनऊ कब आएगा? क्या बताएंगे, क्या बोलेंगे?
लखनऊ आने के लिए मुझे वो नहीं चाहिए, आई डोंट नीड अ रीजन टू गो टू लखनऊ. लखनऊ इज हैज बीन वन ऑफ द सिटीज जहाँ पे मुझे सबसे ज्यादा प्यार मिला है, और मेरे कुछ बहुत ही खास फैमिली जैसे लोग हैं वहाँ पर, जो कि जब मैं आता हूँ तो घर पे खाना वगैरह बनता है मेरे लिए. सो लखनऊ इज वन प्लेस विच हैज कॉन्स्टेंटली गिवन मी अ लॉट ऑफ लव. तो आई थिंक जैसे ही ये लॉकडाउन खत्म होगा, हमारे इवेंट्स वापस शुरू होंगे. So, Lucknow is going to be the first sort of places that I will be at. And second would be, I think, Kolkata.
Okay. Tell us about your collab with Anusha, Man Up, Woman Up.
I think
Says,
yesterday only I spoke about Hi Sonali. I have some of my
is she a
friends.
friend?
Yes. I love you too.
Hi, Sonali.
Yeah, she recently got married.
Listen,
Yeah, yeah.
आपके जो fans है ना, ये female fans, I'm having a hard time to read out all the messages. Please, I'm like really sorry. यार, forgive me यार, क्या करे? Okay. People are going crazy. I love you करण. आप ना कोई few names आप बोल दो यार, नहीं तो मेरे को like
I
बाद में डांट पड़ेगी. Please,
नहीं
आप बोलते रहो.
उसके लिए मैं सेपरेटली लाइव जाऊंगा. आई थिंक दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन ऑफ योर्स एंड माइन
Yes,
इज
yes.
मच मोर.
Say the name, please. Lolo Bebe. Lolo Bebe is the name.
लोलो
Sends lot of hearts to you.
पंजाब में जो हमारे जैसे मॉम होती है ना, या मॉम या
हाँ,
ग्रैंडमदर, उनको बेबे
हाँ.
बोलते हैं. तो आई डोंट थिंक उसको
बेबे,
लगेगा,
हाँ, अच्छा,
उसको
हाँ,
अच्छा
हाँ.
लगेगा कि मैं उसको बेबे बुला रहा हूँ. लाइक माय डैड यूज्ड टू कॉल माय ग्रैंडमदर बेबे, and I don't think she's gonna like it if I call her Lolo Bebe.
आपके पेरेंट्स क्या यहाँ पे हैं या
No, my parents are safe and sound. They're in the US. Actually, my dad had gone to
ओके
visit my mom. और
ओके
my sister and my brother-in-law both are doctors. और वो अभी
ओके
भी they're still serving the community over there. And rest, everybody is safe. Thank you.
few last questions yeah Karan quickly what are your upcoming projects if you can please share with us with your fans on Fever FM official page.
अरे अभी मैं राजमा बनाने की कोशिश करूंगा. अभी तो यही अपकमिंग है, और तो कुछ नहीं है अभी. मतलब this, the lockdown, it's a lot of obscurity that what's gonna happen. पहले तो जो shows चल रहे हैं, I'm shooting for a film, पहले वो खत्म होगी, फिर
हाँ हाँ
दिल्ली
वो
तो
फिर
है.
पिक्चर की नाम कैन यू गिव थोड़ा सा आप कुछ बता सकोगे अबाउट द फिल्म दैट यू नो आई न्यू या ओके ओके
तो या आई मीन अभी फिलहाल तो हम लोग यही सोच रहे हैं कि डिनर पे क्या खाएंगे, क्योंकि मैं और मेरा भांजा वी नॉट दैट ग्रेट ऑफ कुक्स. तो आगे के प्रोजेक्ट्स, आगे का वर्क, आई मीन आई बीन टॉकिंग टू अ कपल ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स अबाउट द काइंड ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट्स दैट आई वांट टू डू, बिकॉज़ आई डोंट थिंक कि लॉकडाउन हटने के इमीडिएटली बाद शूटिंग शुरू हो जाएगी. लाइफ इज नॉट गोना गेट ऑन ट्रैक,
या
स्पेशली फॉर एक्टर्स एंड
ट्रू ट्रू
the people in the industry. It's not going to get on track so soon. So there are certain things like a very good friend of mine, Varun Sharma. I spoke to him,
हाँ
because both of us are from Jalandhar. So हम लोग कुछ चीजें हैं जो हमने सोची हुई हैं कि कुछ टाइम मिलेगा बीच में तो हम लोग करेंगे. So lot of stuff that you think of, and you want to do, be it a YouTube video, be it a funny video, be it something about the country, so many things that you want to put across, but आप शूट कर रहे होते हो 24 घंटे और आपको टाइम नहीं मिलता. सो I think I'm going to do that. But one thing that I've really decided is that I'm going to travel across India again, because I used to drive a lot. I used to drive from
ओ
Mumbai
वाओ
till I don't even remember last मैंने drive कब किया है. It was a couple of years ago. मैं बॉम्बे से पंजाब और फिर पंजाब से आगे रोहतांग पास तक गया था. I drove myself, and we have ridden through Nepal. We've been on bikes in Bhutan. I've gone to some crazy places in India, and I want to start doing that again. So अगर कोई producer सुन रहा है, कोई अच्छा quirky travel show अगर आपके दिमाग में है, so मैं थोड़ा budget कम करने को तैयार हूँ.
so great yeah so please also keep doing your videos बिकॉज आप बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस बनाते हो, बहुत अच्छे बोलते हो. सो
हाँ बट मैं
या.
बहुत लेजी भी हूँ ना लाइफ में, मैं बहुत
हाँ
मतलब
वही.
मुझसे नहीं होता है.
आई नो आई गेट दैट.
I remember the first day that I got on TikTok, और I think कुछ 1 मिलियन या 2 मिलियन नहीं, हाँ कुछ 18-19 मिलियन व्यूज मिल गए थे मेरे को. एंड लाइक ये क्या हो रहा है. एंड देन it's been almost a month since I've actually posted something. So but मैंने एक बहाना बना दिया कि ये डिजिटल डिटॉक्स है मेरे लिए. और but the fact is right now I'm watching some great content, and I'm working on some great ideas. um, so I will say that yes I know, because ये बहुत लोगों की कंप्लेन है कि मैं ज़्यादा सोशल मीडिया पे नहीं हूँ. बट ठीक है यार, मैं लाइव करता हूँ ना कभी कभी ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग.
So this during this like lockdown period, are you overeating or are you like on diet?
Oh, I'm
Quickly,
always
quickly.
I'm always overeating. मैं क्या बताऊं यार, I'm a big foodie, और मैं खाने पीने में थोड़ा सा हूँ. I am always overeating. I Yeah.
Are you on phone ज्यादा या आप बात भी
Not
कर रहे
at
हो?
all. Not at all.
या. ओह ग्रेट.
मेरे फोन की बैटरियां 4-4 दिन चल रही हैं. So you can imagine कि कितना मैं ऑनलाइन. I'm on my phone. I don't. I think मेरा फोन पड़ा रहता है यार. मेरी फैमिली की भी ये प्रॉब्लम है, बहुत लोगों की प्रॉब्लम है. बट आई मीन आई एम जस्ट टू बिजी वॉचिंग. आई एम जस्ट टू बिजी बीइंग विद माई सेल्फ, आई गेस.
Are you at all working out or are you too lazy to do that? got you. Gotcha.
बट ऐसा नहीं है, मैं कर लूंगा, ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है.
लिसन, आपका जो वीडियो आपने अपलोड किया है ना, वो बॉडी शॉडी का, ओह गॉड, दैट वाज आई थिंक 2 months.
वो
2-3 महीने हो गए.
वो कुछ नहीं बचा. नहीं,
वो कहा.
वो कुछ नहीं बचा. मैं अब क्या क्या बोलूं. मैं कहीं मुंह दिखाने लायक, मैं कहीं एब्स दिखाने लायक नहीं रहा.
Okay, quickly, one message to all the fans of yours. But before that, ये आपके जो balcony है ना, जहाँ से आपने last वो video किया, हाँ, can we have a sneak peek to your balcony? It's beautiful. हो
It's
सकता है,
actually,
possible है क्या?
of course, it's a small balcony that I have.
Oh,
It's actually
wow.
this is where I eat. This is where I spend a lot of time. That's all these plants that you see are thanks to my mum. And
Wow.
the sunset is actually quite nice around this time. Uh, थोड़ा सफाई नहीं होगी मेरे घर की, but this is
Wow, wow.
what it is.
I
But
love the
yeah,
chula, yeah. हाँ.
I know. So the Jula, actually, the last time my mom was here, I got the Jula for her because she's always liked it. And but now I think it's become a fixture where me and my nephew are always sitting on the Jula. And all these plants and all make us feel better, because all ये जितने भी plants हैं यहाँ पे, ये सब मेरी mom लेके आई हैं from my Punjab house. And हम जितने भी siblings हैं, सबके घर में कोई ना कोई हमारे घर से plants हैं.
Oh,
So all these plants
okay.
are actually my mom's plants. और मैं जिंदा बचूं ना बचूं, मुझे अपनी टेंशन कम है, इन प्लांट्स की ज्यादा होती है. वैसे एंजाइटी पे उठता हूँ कि वो शिट प्लांट्स को पानी नहीं दिया.
So you're doing a lot of household chores, I'm sure now, because or are you making your bhanja work?
I
What
am
is it?
making
Like, tell
my
me.
panja work, but वो बनता भी है उसका. But yes, I mean we manage pretty well. We are two boys, and we clean, we cook, we try to cook. But इतना बुरा नहीं है जितना हमारी फैमिली ने प्रेडिक्ट कर लिया था कि ये दोनों नहीं बचेंगे.
I'm sure they must be very proud.
I
Okay,
don't know
और
about
मुझे भी
that.
पता.
I don't know about that.
And thanks for the idea. I'm also thinking of making rajma for my dinner now.
अच्छा, उसके
Anyway,
बाद ना मैं अपने राजमा की फोटो, and then you send me your राजमा की फोटो, and then we'll put it up.
done. I'll do that. I'll do that. Great.
A spoiler, हाँ, मैं पहली बार जिंदगी में राजमा बनाने वाला हूँ. Through
Oh, is it?
instructions. Yeah.
Okay. I was already thinking कि मेरे तो लिए कभी मैंने नहीं बनाया. And that will be made by my mom only. I was thinking of not mentioning that anyway. Now
चलो
that
आज
you've
एक काम
mentioned,
करते हैं ना, आज हम दोनों पहली बार अपनी लाइफ में राजमा बनाते हैं,
Insta
और
live
फिर
में.
देखते हैं किसने बेटर बनाया.
Who will judge
मैं
that?
धनिया वनिया काट के डाल देता हूँ उस पे.
हाँ, but just the look of it will say ना. Who will judge that? Taste कौन करेगा? आप वहाँ, मैं यहाँ.
ठीक है, I'll give it to you.
Karan, yeah, one message to all the Insta fans on Fever FM official page, to all your admirers.
I say this all the time, and I'm going to say it again that I am where I am today because of you guys, and thank you so much for all the love. Thank you for supporting me. It's trust me, whenever it's tough, whenever it's very difficult, I know that there are people who are waiting for this episode or this particular scene to come, and it makes me more responsible. So thank you for that, and we strive to be better and better for obviously you guys.
Thank you so much, Karan. It was lovely talking to
It was
Ronovir.
absolutely awesome talking to you. It was great fun.
Yeah, so thank you. And yes, I loved Ronovir, and I'm more in love with you, Karan. So thank you so much. You're
Sweet.
an
Thank you
amazing
so much.
personality. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
See you soon.
Bye.
Rajma,
Thank
huh?
you.
Make do well and send me a picture.
आपको अगर मैं आपको पूछूं कि क्या क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स चाहिए, क्या आप बोल सकोगे मेरे को अभी राइस
मेरे
का?
को मेरे को सब आता है। राजमा को भिगोते हैं, उसके बाद चावल भी मेरे को बनाने आते हैं, मेरे को तड़का भी लगाना आता है, टमाटोज भी काटने आते हैं, मुझे सब आता है। वो अलग बात है कि मैं करवाता सारा अपने भांजे से हूँ, बट फिर भी आता है।
ओके,
अब तो मैं
अच्छा,
डालूंगा पक्का, अब तो मैं पक्का डालूंगा। आई शैल
प्लीज डू दैट, प्लीज डू दैट.
आई विल
चलो, हैव अ ग्रेट डे एंड
Thank you
प्लीज
so
स्टे
much,
सेफ
sweetie.
एंड
Bye bye.
या
Take care. Thank you so
या
much for this.
बाय करण.
Bye. Bye everybody. Stay safe.
Okay, that was a fun session, guys. How did you like it? And Fever FM official page ke bahut sorry fans who have joined. Thank you so much for joining, guys. And now I'll let the other RJs go for a chat session. And yes, thank you, everybody. And do follow us, Fever FM official page for the other interesting, fun chat sessions. This is RJ Junior from Kolkata signing off for today. Bye bye. By the way, I'm there. My Insta handle is RJJINIA Junior. यार मौका मिला तो बोल रहे. Bye guys, love you.